note.
Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on.
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Oh, hello there, Gumboot Kids. I've just missed my friend Daisy, but she's left me a note. Her notes always make me smile. Sometimes they make me so happy, I giggle. Which reminds me, today as I was out walking, I met someone who neither laughs nor smiles when they're happy. They hum. Now, who could this be? That's today's nature mystery, the case of the happy hummer. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Ranch.
Oh, look, we're on a ranch.
You found a ranch, Gumboot Kids. It's nice and big with lots of open spaces for animals to roam. Now for clue number 2.
2 toes.
I have 10 toes.
Me too. Oh, look.
Very good. You found 2 toes. Now for clue number 3.
Big ears.
Way to go, nature detectives! Now let's put the 3 clues together to solve the case of the happy hummer. What lives on a ranch, has 2 toes, and big ears?
I know. It's a llama.
That's it, nature detectives. But who's the happy hummer?
I know. Llamas hum when they're happy.
That's right. Llamas have lots of ways to express their feelings. They move their tails and ears to communicate. They spit when they're upset and hum when they're happy. Which is most of the time. You did it, Gumboot Kids. You solved the nature mystery.
We did it. Case closed. Yay!
Way to go, nature detectives. Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. How do you express your feelings? We can use words, smile, laugh, cry, even jump up and down. When we express ourselves, it helps others understand how we feel. And when we pay attention and listen to others, like llamas, it helps us imagine how they feel.
Did you know that I spit when I'm angry, that I hum when I'm happy? Did you know? Did you know that my cousin is a camel, that I'm covered in a soft and woolly coat? Como se llama? My name is Llama. Como se llama? What is your name? Como se llama? I am a llama. Como se llama? Llama, 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 llama. Hey, llama, 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 llama. Ho, llama, 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 llama. Hey, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, I guess I have something in common with llamas. I hum when I'm happy too. What a fun day we had, Gumboot Kids. I've just drawn a sketch for Daisy. Maybe she'll be happy when she sees it too. See you later, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye.